In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the status bar in VLC in just a few simple steps. This is a quick setting that can be really useful if you want to see extra playback information while you're watching videos or listening to audio in VLC. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. You can do this by clicking the VLC icon from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you have it installed. Once VLC is open, look at the top of the window for the main menu bar. You'll see options like Media, Playback, Audio, Video, Subtitle, and View. What you need to do next is click on View. This opens a drop-down menu with several display options for VLC. In that menu, look for Status Bar. If the status bar option is currently turned off, clicking it will enable it immediately. As soon as you click it, you should see the status bar appear at the bottom of the VLC window. This bar can show helpful information depending on what you're playing and how VLC is configured. If you ever want to hide it again, you can simply go back to the View menu and click Status Bar once more to toggle it off. It's that easy. So to recap, open VLC, click View from the top menu, and then click Status Bar. That will turn it on for your player. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.